Hello everyone, this is Trending TikTok Tags. Today's tag is...
Stop it. Love each other.
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick us up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Okay, Chase. I'm gonna take away Millie now, okay? No, she's going with her new family. Come on. Chase, what's the matter? I have to take her. Today's the day. I have to take her. Today's the day, buddy. Come on. I have to take her. I'm sorry. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Millie. Oh.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Yep.
You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
I saw this thing on TikTok that said if you brush your cat with a damp toothbrush, it reminds them of being groomed by their mothers when they were kittens. So my cat hates being brushed, so I figured...
Stop. Stop it. Stop. Stop. You're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no. Stop being ratchet. Get off me. We're done. We are over. Go.
First blood, double kill, triple kill, quadra kill, pentakill, ace, killing spree, rampage, unstoppable, godlike, legendary.
Uh-oh. Oh. Shit. Ooh. What do you gotta say about that? Ooh, shit. Boots. Oh.